Let's make a spaceship today. Make a half circle and 5 slanting lines. Join these lines with 2 curvy lines below. Wasn't that easy? Now let's make legs for the spaceship. This is fun, isn't it? Let's make buttons. Our spaceship is ready. Now let's color it. Let's color the lines we made green, red, yellow, and pink. Now color the half circle we made with sky blue. Almost there. Let's color the curvy lines with dark blue. Color the legs of the spaceship orange. There you go! Our spaceship is ready. Let's go for a fun adventure into space! Hi girls and boys! How is everyone doing? Hope you're doing good. So tell me, what completes a princess? That's right, a crown. And we're gonna draw a crown today. Crowns look so magical. Draw these curves and try to make it symmetrical on both sides. Draw a line, and here we go. The outer sketch is almost done. Now let's fill in the beads. And a heart to go with it. And the shiny jewels. Perfect! Almost done. Now let's make the outline thicker. Ta-da! It's done! First, let's paint it yellow. And then orange. And some more orange. And my favorite, pink. Red for the heart. and some on the sides. Try to color neatly. And fill the rest with green. Wow! It's already looking so magical and colorful. Some yellow again. And some orange too. And lastly, blue to complete it. Done! Your crown is ready, Your Majesty. Hi kids, let's begin drawing our cute little cow. Begin with an oval shape for her face. Now a curvy line and 2 eyes. Yes, that was easy. Draw the pupils and color them in. Now draw curvy lines for her spots, eyebrows and her horns. And leaf shapes for her ears. Finish drawing the face with a nose and a cute little smile. Let's draw her body starting with her front legs and then her back legs. Now draw the hooves. This looks awesome! Let's finish off with some spots. Draw a cute buzzing bee who is our cow's best friend. Let's begin with the outlining. Here comes the fun part. Let's color her in. Let's use a lovely bright yellow for her face. Oh wow, she already looks amazing. Now let's color her body. Don't forget to stay within the lines. Coloring is so much fun. Let's add some orange to her ears. And to the rest of her face too. Isn't this the cutest cow ever? With a light orange color, fill in the spot. Yes, just like that. And some brown for her hooves. Lastly, a light blue color for her horns. And we're done! Here it is, kids, our very own cute little cow. Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a magic wand. First, we're going to make a big star. It's easy to make with upside down V's. There you go. Then we're going to draw the stick. That's good. Keep going. Now I think I need to add some more stars, don't you? Yes. Let's outline this neatly. It's time to color. I want to use yellow for the star. What about you? For the handle, I'm going to use two colors, blue and orange. You can use whatever colors you want. I can't wait to use this magical wand. I think we can add different colors for the stars here. It looks great! And here we have it, magical wand. Hope you had fun! Hi kids, let's take a trip to Fantasyland today because we're gonna draw a unicorn. First, start with the body, the ears, and a big round eye. Amazing! Now draw the forelock and the magical horn. Yay! Let's draw a majestic mane. And a small cute nose. Now a big curve for the rest of the body. The front legs and back legs. And finally, a big fluffy tail. We did such a good job! It's time to give our masterpiece a nice, neat outline. Looking great! Keep going! Here comes the real magic. Let's color in. First comes purple, then red for the mane, orange, and some yellow too. A lovely green, a darker green too, and lastly purple. How beautiful does our unicorn look? Let's use blue for the horn. We can use pink for the hooves. Aren't you having fun, kids? Let's color the tail now. Begin with a red, then some orange, yellow, light green, and purple. Yippee! Add some finishing touches with a lovely pink. Here it is, kids, the most magical unicorn ever. Hope you had lots of fun learning. See you next time.